Hi everybody, it's lovely to see you this morning. Let's pop on those binoculars and take a look outside. Oh, I can see it's looking a little bit cloudy out there this morning. Definitely a cloudy day. Hello everybody, hello everybody. What a cloudy day. Everybody clap your hands. It's story time today. Now, we enjoyed our rhyme sack so much last time, I thought we would do another one. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, it's the monkey again. One monkey, two monkeys, three monkeys. Whoops, is that Mr. Monkey? Thank you. Four monkeys. And 5 monkeys. Now these cheeky monkeys are busy because they're being a bit cheeky and jumping on the bed. Are we ready? Show me your 5. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Oh, shall we see how many we've got left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Show me 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and he bumped his head. Oh no! Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Let's see how many we've got left. 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and he bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." We have 1, 2 little monkeys left. Can you show me 2? Ready. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Oh, just 1 lonely monkey jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and he bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." And he's right, there are no more monkeys jumping on the bed. What cheeky monkeys. It was lovely to sing that song with you today, everybody. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.